All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you Xavier Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. My name is Julia Hayes. I preside over County Criminal Court number 2, which is where your case is assigned.
Okay.
Letty, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
We're on the record in cause number M1951433, the state of Texas versus Xavier Williams. This is a hearing for purposes of the defendant entering an agreed plea. Therefore, the state of Texas has waived its appearance. We are appearing over Zoom video conference with the court's court reporter taking a record, the court's probation officer, Assistant Public Defender, Mr. James Spangler II, representing the defendant, Mr. Xavier Williams, and the court, all of whom are present over Zoom. In compliance with the public courts laws, we are also live streaming on YouTube. Mr. Williams, please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Are you Xavier Williams?
Yes.
What is your date of birth?
May 22nd, 1989.
Do you understand what you're charged with today?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand the range of punishment?
Yes.
Have you discussed your rights with your lawyer?
Yes.
Do you want to have a trial?
No.
Are you a United States citizen?
Yes.
Counsel, do you believe your client is mentally competent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Williams, what is your plea?
No consent.
I accept your plea of no contest, find you guilty of this offense, sentence you to 120 days in jail, probated for 12 months, also assessing a $500 fine plus court costs. As long as you meet your probation conditions, you'll be able to stay out of jail in your case. And I will apply the 2 days back time credit you served in jail towards your $500 fine and court costs. Mr. Williams, did you agree that we conduct your plea over Zoom video conference?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions at this time?
No, ma'am. I understand everything.
Okay, Mr. Spangler, do you have anything you want to add?
Yes, Your Honor. I spoke with the state. They have no objection to probating the fine, and that would be our request. To the best of my knowledge, Mr. Williams has no prior criminal history, and I believe a probated fine is appropriate.
Okay, I'll grant that. That means the fine is probated, meaning that as long as you follow your probation conditions, you will not have to pay your fine. However, if you violate even just one of those conditions, you will have to pay the fine. So it's kind of up to you whether or not you end up having to pay it. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Jackson, you have anything you want to add?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Mr. Williams.
How you doing?
Just fine. I'm Jackson. I work with the probation department. I will call you on your cell phone upon conclusion of our Zoom conference, but I want to make sure that you currently have a vehicle that you can install an interlock device in.
Yes, sir. But I drive the vehicle, but the vehicle ain't my name. That won't cause no issues or nothing, would it?
No, it will not. You just need to interlock in that vehicle, whichever one you drive.
Okay.
Okay, but I'll call you.
got you.
Okay, I'll call you in a few minutes after we get off the Zoom conference.
I got you.
Okay, that's all, Your Honor.
Okay. And Mr.
Okay.
Williams, there was paperwork submitted in order to complete your plea. That paperwork included the Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 3914 compliance form, the judicial admonition of defendant's rights and plea agreement, and the waiver of rights consent to plea by video conference. Your lawyer signed those documents on his and your behalf. Did you authorize Mr. Spangler to sign those documents on your behalf?
Yes. Yes,
Court
ma'am.
takes okay. The court takes judicial notice of the defendant's authorization that Mr. Spangler signed the aforementioned documents on his behalf.